Welcome to How to Wave. In this video, we'll guide you through setting a stop loss on Tradovate in 2025. First, log in to your Tradovate account and open the trading workspace. Select the contract or market you want to trade in. Once you're ready to place a trade, click on the order entry box. To set a stop loss, click on the stop loss button located below the order entry. You'll need to input the stop price or distance in points from your entry position where the stop will trigger. For example, if you want your stop loss set at 10 points below the current market price, input 10 in the stop loss field. You can also choose between a market stop or a limit stop depending on your strategy. Once you've entered your stop price, review your trade details and click Place Order. The stop loss will automatically be triggered when the market price hits your set stop point. To manage or modify your stop loss, simply click on the open order and make any necessary adjustments. Setting a stop loss is a smart way to limit risk and protect your capital in fast-moving markets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to How to Wave for more valuable tips and tutorials.